Have you ever wanted to learn French? Felt the allure of its sophisticated charm and its lyrical cadence? Well, today we're going to explore just how you can embark on this linguistic journey. Imagine the thrill of being able to understand and converse in the language of Voltaire, Hugo, and Dumas. Or the satisfaction of ordering a café au lait in a quaint Parisian café and understanding the waiter's response. It's a journey that might seem daunting at first, but with the right steps, it's absolutely achievable. Step 1. Start with the basics. Just as a building needs a solid foundation, so too does your understanding of French. Begin with the alphabet, the sounds, and the pronunciation. French has a unique set of sounds that might not exist in your native language. Spend quality time familiarizing yourself with them. Step 2. Build your vocabulary. Start with simple, everyday words and phrases. Think about the words you use most frequently in your own language and learn their French equivalents. Step 3. Embrace grammar. French grammar might seem complex, but it follows a set of rules. As you learn these rules, you'll start to understand how sentences come together. Step 4. Practice makes perfect. Engage in conversation as much as possible. Use language learning apps, join a language exchange group, or find a language partner. Don't worry about making mistakes. They're a vital part of the learning process. Step 5. Immerse yourself in the language. Listen to French music, watch French films, read French books. The more you expose yourself to the language, the more familiar it will become. Step 6. Be patient with yourself. Learning a new language takes time. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small. Every new word or phrase you learn is a step closer to fluency. So what have we learned today? We've discovered that learning French, like any language, is a journey. It begins with understanding the basics, building vocabulary, and embracing the rules of grammar. It requires practice, immersion in the language, and above all, patience with oneself. It might be challenging, but it's also incredibly rewarding. Remember, every fluent French speaker started exactly where you are now. With determination, curiosity, and a sense of adventure, you too can master the beautiful French language. Bon courage!